Remove the spurs. Save the spurs as they are used for the hot air method of repairs. We will cover this method later in the CD. A knockdown wheel will be used for the next step. It is important to round the edges with a truing stone. This step is only necessary for a new knockdown wheel or if it has sharp edges. Cut the excess bulk around the borders and trim to the length desired. Do not cut thickness off the partial at this time. Keep the partial in movement at all times. This is important when working with thermoplastics. With a sharp scalpel, cut off excess material. The 306 brown rubber wheel is ideal in the finishing stage. Be sure to round the edges of the wheel with a truing stone. Again, this step is only necessary when the wheel is new. This wheel is used to smooth all surfaces that were trimmed by the knockdown wheel. Smooth the borders and any sharp edges. Again, use a sharp scalpel. Cut off excess material. Use the pink wheel. It is very important to shape the wheel to a semi-sharp edge with a truing stone, as shown in the video. It is highly recommended to wax the TCS partial exactly the way it will be finished. This method is more time consuming in the wax stage. However, the end result is much better, and time is saved in the finishing stage. If anatomy was not defined in the waxing stage, as recommended, now is the time to work on it. Finesse the partial and add anatomy. Shape a round neck of teeth in interproximal areas. This is an area that is much quicker if the wax-up was done according to TCS instructions. Use your scalpel again to cut off excess. Use the large brown rubber wheel 304F to smooth and rubberize entire partial. This is a very important step, critical to obtain a high shine. Rubberize approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Do not rush through this step. Again, cut excess. Use the truing stone to shape the small rubber wheel to a semi-sharp edge. Use the small brown rubber wheel to continue rubberizing the partial. Be sure to rubberize the borders as well. This step will take approximately another 3 to 5 minutes. Remove all the scratches from the partial. Do not rush this step. This step is also critical to obtaining a high shine. Cut off excess. This step can usually be avoided with a flawless wax-up. However, the neckline of the teeth can be defined by using a sharp scalpel. This procedure may take some practice. The partial is ready to be seated on the master cast. TCS offers a variety of burrs that cut right through thermoplastics. These burrs are also ideal for chairside adjustments for doctors. Finesse final details. Once the partial is seated, we are ready to proceed to polishing.